Hello YouTube, welcome to CodeTechGP. Today I'm about to be unveiling the, the new app that you can be able to earn repo without investing any money. So uh, please, I'm going to first of all be showing my Coinbase wallet so that you would think it is a trick or it's not legit. So let's first of all go to my Coinbase. Please, if you do love this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post my next video. So first of all, let's go to my Coinbase. So here is my Coinbase. Let's go to my wallet. So this is what I have in my repo account, which is 0.01995 repo. So the last withdrawal I made was from this free repo coin, so which is your free repo just at a transaction. So the people who paid me was Bobby Ronica. So that's the app. Let's go to the app and let me show you what I'm talking about. So the app we're talking about is free repo, which is this. So let's just click it. Please, if you do love this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post my next video. So all you need to do is just come to this app. So whenever you click on let's play, just wait for this, and this energy here is your spin power. So whenever you click on spin, the energy reduces. So let's keep spinning. As you can see, I was given 3,261 repo. So let's keep spinning, and as at now I have 10,192 repo that I have in. So I was just given 4,728 repo. So let's keep spinning. So guys, this is free, no investment. And also I will drop the link in the description below so that you can be able to download this app and start any more cryptocurrency. This is legit, no scam. I've been using this app for a while now, so it actually pay some cryptocurrency. So if you do love this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post my next video. So the more you click on let's play, the more repo you get. So I will drop the link in the description below so that you can be able to download this app to earn more repo. So if you do love this video, please subscribe. So I just need to speed it up so that we can be able to get to the live withdraw point. So right now we need to withdraw the repo that we have earned. Right now I have a 77,506 repo. So I need to first of all go to my Coinbase to show you that this is no scam. So that you guys should see the recent amount I have in my repo account, which is 0.019956 repo. So let's make this withdraw and see. So it said that ready now, your repo are ready in your account. So let's go to my Coinbase account to confirm that. So as you can see, the money just arrived, which is 0.00775, and also it was sent from Body Senegal. So that this is legit, no scam. As you can see, it was sent at 3:58 a.m. May 20, 2019. So this is legit. If you do love this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell icon, drop a like, and drop a comment. And also I will drop the link in the description below. Do have a wonderful day.